Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to get the Fortnite Mobile for iOS users who live outside Europe with no key, no need for Scarlet e-sign, and it's super easy to install. It will take like 2 or 3 minutes just by following some simple steps, and you will be good to go. So let's start our tutorial on how to get it. First of all, you need to open your browser. In my case, I'm going to use Safari, but it works like on every browser you prefer. Then head to the website where we're going to get the Fortnite Mobile. I will leave you the link on the screen. Then search for the Fortnite Mobile and hit the download button. Then you should head over all the way down until you find those buttons where they ask you to choose your device type. I will go with iOS. In case you're on iPhone, iPad, choose iOS. And for other devices, choose the Android, then the download should start automatically. In some cases, with the high traffic on the website, for some security reasons, it may ask you to complete the human verification by completing 2 offers, like installing an app or completing a survey. I recommend choosing the ones with the easy icon. Once the download is done, you can start enjoying your game along with the executor. And that's all for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Don't forget to leave a like and a sub. Thanks.